Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a painting I got from Amazon because currently they're doing Black Friday deals. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I've been looking at, I've probably said before in my other Amazon haul videos, I've been looking at really discounted prices for a lot of their larger diamond paintings. Don't get me wrong, not large like 50 by 50. Larger ones around 30 by 40 or 40 by 40s. And since Black Friday deal is still going on currently through Amazon, I was able to pick up this wonderful painting that I fell in love when I first saw the image. And just to kind of let y'all know, I'm not affiliated with Amazon. I'm just a customer. And I love that a lot of their diamond paintings have been getting a lot of discounted. And that was before all of the Black Friday deals started popping up. So even after Black Friday passes, trust me, there's been a lot of diamond paintings that have been getting discounted, which I'm a big fan of. Especially if you have Prime, because you know you can get your painting really, really soon. So let me just remove the plastic wrapping from the canvas real quick. And I always love the little wrapping on it. It's real, keeps it really secured. So if any, unfortunately anything falls on the painting, the plastic makes sure that the canvas isn't damaged in any way. And this canvas is folded, as you can see, and it has the standard materials. It has your standard kit and your diamonds. So sometimes some of these kits, they are taped with the kit and the diamonds, which is really neat because you don't have to worry about, ooh, what if in case I lose it? It's alright, it's taped together. It's not going to fall anywhere. And as I said, this is the standard kit. And just in case you need to diamond painting, the standard kit is always your tray, the pen, and the wax. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, press the pen onto the wax, press onto the diamonds, press on the canvas, and voila! You're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if unfortunately the tray breaks, runs away, or you kind of can't remember where you put it down, your next canvas will have it as well. They always got your back. But this kit is a little fancier, for it has a standard grip, and it has some resealable bags, which is really good if you're saving, or if you have any leftover diamonds after you complete the painting, or if you're currently working the painting and you want to kit up everything organized to start. These little bags are really helpful for that as well. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I really love these colors. Oh, I love that little peach. I love my little light peach. Wonderful violet. And you can see a nice little, I believe this might be my lovely 310, but I'm not sure. I love all of these pastel colors. Ooh, they're all over the place. And I really love this painting because I love the sky and I loved all the flowers on it, which you'll see in a moment. Really pretty pinks, nice dark magenta color. And I really love that they're flat this way because a lot of diamonds, it'll be kind of rolled up and into one packet. I love it when it's two packets. Keeps everything real organized and straight. I'm a big fan of that. And all of these are included. They're just, you would have to cut these open in case you've never seen these little packets before. So you just pour them into any kind of receptacle you would like holding the diamonds. I have no problems with these. I'm a big fan of these little packets. And this is the painting. And as you can see, it's a wonderful, wonderful sky with clouds, little tree branches around, and wonderful little waterway leading to kind of a little coast with a whole bunch of flowers. I fell in love the first time I saw this image, and I really love all of the really bright pastel colors in this painting. So this painting, as you all saw, was folded, kind of like a book. So it's going to have this little crease in the middle. For myself, I don't really have an issue with it because I do put all my paintings in a portfolio. So after a while, when I get to the point that I can work on the painting, the crease does go away. But you can always put any kind of heavy materials, heavy books, anything in that nature, or even tuck it in within your mattress, because I've heard some diamond painters do that. Myself, I don't, but you can do that just to, take care of the crease in the middle. But the rest of the painting, as you can see, is all nice and smooth, so you don't really see any other creases in the painting. It's just in the middle since it was folded over. I'm just picking up the plastic, see if I can get the little crease to settle a bit. Oh, that did kind of work. That does have that little kind of lifting up the plastic and placing it. It really does help with creases and helps settle the painting a bit. Oh my goodness, I really love this painting. And some information about the painting. It is G4484 and it's a 30 by 40 and has 25 colors. I can see it. There is a lot of confetti in the trees and a lot in the little waterway. And just in case you're not familiar with the term, confetti just means a whole bunch of different color changes you'd have to do. And color blocking is large sections of color that you just have to place. The sun has a good example. It has a lot of white, which I believe is our 3865. Yep, it's our wonderful 3865, which would be here. How I love the little tree lines. I really love this image. And the legend is from numbers 1 through 9, they are numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 10 to 25, they are capital letters. They're kind of in different order, but they're all capital letters, and thank goodness there's no symbols or anything funny like that. It's just numbers and letters. That's all what we like, y'all. And I really love this image. I'm going to say that over and over. And I love that they have it on the upper right and the lower left. Myself, I do move and spin the paintings around when I'm coloring. Mostly so I can make sure what section I'm working on, I can get it in the space, especially on my table, so I can get enough room so I can paint. And on the top right corner is a little thumbnail of the image in case you ever want to compare whenever you're painting, or you just want to make sure everything's in order. You can compare with this image. The more I see it, the more and more happy I am with it. I really like it. The little plastic covering on it is really sturdy, as you can hear, and it's really good for, I do use the washi tape method, meaning I section it with washi tape and cut off the section I'm going to do. I've never had any problems of accidentally cutting through the canvas, because these canvases, as you can hear, are a little bit rougher, which I'm a big fan of because I do put my paintings on the wall without a frame majority of the time. So I'm a big fan of these. And as I said, I've never cut through one of these canvases. Even if I think I am really pressing hard with my little ceramic blade, no, it's still good to go. And yeah, I'm really big fan of that. And the stick on it, ooh, did lose a fingerprint, is really sturdy. I've never had any diamonds fall off or pop off of any of these paintings I've gone through Amazon. So that's why I'm a big fan of them. And I keep, buying them when I see them discounted. And the drill field is really clear, as you can see at the bottom of the letters. Even with the darker color, you can see it's a lighter tone, and the lighter color, as for example this river, you can see in the darker tone. Goodness, the drill field is really clear. Let me see if I can get that a little closer to you. That is so pretty. Apologies for the glare, my little ring light is above it. Oh goodness, I really love this. I wasn't too sure it was going to be that clear. I'm a big fan of this. I really want to work on it, but I'm trying to finish all my other paintings I want to do. And I actually have a list of especially a lot of my more budget-friendly paintings, of which ones I kind of want to move forward. But this one I'm going to add it on the list. Just looking at it, it's so pretty, and I really want to see what it looks like worked up. Apologies, I keep looking at it. Oh, and just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case a nice little wonderful sky with a waterway is your style as well. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. I've been a little bit more trying not to purchase so much in large hauls, because usually just one painting is more than enough, and sometimes we just want to see one that, maybe I might do that one, later on in the week if you're able to pick it up. And I've been trying to, and I am planning another Amazon order, because there are some other items I've seen, especially since the Black Friday deals are still going on. They're a lot more discounted than I had thought, so I'm really excited to move forward with that. So stay tuned for more Amazon paintings, because I'm really loving everything that's being offered to the site. Big fan of it. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter where they come from. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.